Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to link NIN to MTN. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll be sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations at the description of this video. So guys, let's proceed. So now first head to your phone dealer, then they'll start 346 hash, then proceed with your MTN sim. Sorry, proceed with the sim which you use to register your NIN, your NIN. Okay, proceed with the sim you used to register your NIN when you did it. So I use my Glo to register my NIN, so proceed with it, then select virtual NIN number 3. Then they say this service will cost you 20 naira. Okay, enter your NIN to proceed. So let me enter my NIN. So enter your NIN, okay, which is in your NIN slip or NIN ID card or whatsoever. Okay, so now I've entered it. Now it says enter enterprise ID to proceed. So now enter this ID, guys. 109071. Okay, 109071. So now here's my visual NIN. Okay, mx39. So now once I've gotten this visual NIN, let me quickly copy this down somewhere. So I'll also send this as a text message. So let me just copy this, fill in it somewhere, then quickly just edit, copy this. So I've copied out my virtual NIN. So now they'll star 996 hash, then call with your MTN. The first one you did it with the number which you used to start your NIN. Now this one, now do it with the number which you like to link to MTN. Okay, they star 966, sorry, star 996 hash, then proceed with the number you like to, your MTN number you like to link. Okay, now tap on submit virtual NIN number 1, submit virtual NIN. Okay, so now select number 1, submit visual VNIN. So now it says yellow, please generate your 16. So guys, if I didn't show you that first part, you have needed to generate your VNIN, but with this step I showed you earlier, we have already generated our VNIN, our 16 character VNIN by dialing star 346 hash. I showed you how to do that earlier. So now just paste your VNIN, then tap on send. So it says yellow, please give consent to update your records with NIN details. So select number 1 to accept. So it says your request is being processed. Thank you for choosing MTN. Okay, so guys, your request is being processed, and after some time your NIN will be updated successfully. Your MTN will be linked to your NIN successfully. Just wait for some time for the MTN server to complete this process. So guys, that's how to link your NIN to MTN. So before I proceed, I conclude. Okay, so guys, we got a message. It says thanks for providing your VNIN and your consent to update your record. Confirmation mail. So guys, when this has been confirmed, you receive an SMS which has saying your NIN is verified and linked to your line. Okay, so guys, that's how to link your NIN to MTN. So before I conclude, I will appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, and share this video with friends, family, lovers, and even enemies. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Stay safe and God bless you all.